The abductor digiti minimi muscle. It originates from the calcaneal tuberosity. It inserts at the base of the proximal phalanx. It causes abduction and flexion of the little toe. The adductor brevis muscle originates from the inferior ramus of the It inserts into the pectineal line and linea aspera of the femur. This muscle primarily serves to adduct and flex the hip joint. The adductor hallucis muscle. It arises from two heads, the oblique and transverse. Inserting at the base of the proximal phalanx, it adducts the great toe. This stabilizes the arch.
Piriformis. Origin, anterior sacrum. Insertion, greater trochanter. Movement, external rotation and abduction.
Plantar interossi. Origin, metatarsals 3 to 5. Insertion, proximal phalanges. Movement, toe adduction.
Plantaris. Origin, lateral supracondylar line. Insertion, calcaneus. Movement, plantar flexion and knee flexion.
Popliteus. Origin, lateral femoral condyle. Insertion, posterior proximal tibia. Movement, knee flexion and medial tibial rotation.
Psoas major. Origin, T12 to L5 vertebrae. Insertion, lesser trochanter. Movement, hip flexion and trunk flexion.
Psoas minor. Origin, T12 to L1 vertebrae. Insertion, iliopubic eminence. Movement, lumbar flexion and pelvic stabilization. Quadratus femoris. Origin, ischial tuberosity. Insertion, intertrochanteric crest. Movement, external rotation and hip adduction.
Quadratus plantae. Origin, calcaneus. Insertion, flexor digitorum longus tendon. Movement, assists toe flexion.
Quadriceps femoris. Origin, ilium and femur. Insertion, tibial tuberosity. Movement, knee extension and hip flexion.
Rectus femoris. Origin, anterior inferior iliac spine. Insertion, tibial tuberosity. Movement, knee extension and hip flexion. Sartorius. Origin, anterior superior iliac spine. Insertion, proximal medial tibia. Movement, hip flexion, abduction, external rotation, and knee flexion. Semimembranosus. Origin, ischial tuberosity. Insertion, medial tibial condyle. Movement, hip extension, knee flexion, and medial rotation. Semitendinosus. Origin, ischial tuberosity. Insertion, proximal medial tibia. Movement, hip extension, knee flexion, and medial rotation.
Soleus. Origin, tibia and fibula. Insertion, calcaneus. Movement, ankle plantar flexion.
Superior gemellus. Origin, ischial spine. Insertion, greater trochanter. Movement, external rotation and hip abduction.
Tensor fasciae latae. Origin, anterior superior iliac spine. Insertion, iliotibial tract. Movement, hip flexion, abduction, medial rotation.
Tibialis anterior. Origin, lateral tibia. Insertion, medial cuneiform and first metatarsal. Movement, dorsiflexion and inversion.
Tibialis posterior. Origin, tibia, fibula. Insertion, tarsal bones. Movement, plantar flexion and inversion. Vastus intermedius. Origin, anterior and lateral femur. Insertion, tibial tuberosity. Movement, knee extension. Vastus lateralis. Origin, femur. Insertion, tibial tuberosity. Movement, knee extension.
Vastus medialis. Origin, femur. Insertion, tibial tuberosity. Movement, knee extension.